Big Potato Game sent me this really fun game called Blockbuster Party Game. It's like in the like old VHS containers. It's very nostalgic. It's fun. You like put cards down. You get like, you can only say one word about the movie. You can quote the movie. You have to act the movie out. And like the thing is like, you don't know what you're gonna have to do, and you have to make everyone guess. And it really, you have to have a lot of movie knowledge. I'm doing okay at the game because I really love movies, but I'm like all those people who are like, I love movie. I've seen everything. It's like, oh, well, do you like Gone with the Wind? Of course I like Gone with the Wind. It's like, it's a classic, and I've never seen Gone with the Wind, but I will pretend casually like I have to. So that's why I love this quoted section, because the rules are if you don't know the actual quote from the movie, just make one up to help your teammates guess. And so if I know it, I'm going to quote it, but if I don't know it, because there's a chunk of movies I haven't seen, I'm just going to make it up. Let's go. This is just easy. This is easy. This is easy. This is really easy. Galaxy Defenders.
Men in Black.
Yeah, there we go. Final answer. You know.
The millionaire.
Yeah!
The millionaire, but it's
Slumdog. Yeah, we got it. Oh, skadoosh.
Kung Fu Panda.
That's where I would act that
Charlie's
way.
Angels.
Yeah, that's a Charlie's Angels. Oh, these are the guys we think did it. Like, typically.
The Usual Suspects.
You can't say the
guys who did it typically.
There's reptiles in the air.
Reptiles in the air.
And we got
snakes on a plane.
Yep. I can't. Oh, there's Narnia.
The Chronicles of Narnia?
No, you know which one. Oh, Oompa Loompa.
Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory.
Yep. Oh, you come to me on the day of my daughter's wedding.
The Godfather.
Yep, okay. Vampire. Daywalker.
Oh, Blade.
Yeah! First rule.
The Fight Club.
Check please.
Wait, say it again?
Check please. Yeah,
Check please? Is that what you said?
No, check please. Like, it's, Kazakhstan.
Oh, Brutal. Borat.
Right. I can fly. I'm an elephant. I think I can.
Dumbo.
Yep. Do 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 do.
Harry Potter.
That's a quote. Yeah, right.
Harry Potter.
The first one. That's the quote. You know?
Psycho?
No, the one with the face. You know? Yeah, you know.
No, I don't know.
Oh. Here's my finger. I said it. I said gold finger. It's a whisper. It's like, and you're like, what did they say? That was important, but we don't know. It's at the end. It's like,
Lost in Translation.
yeah. This story never ends. I said it. I'm sorry. You'll float too.
It.
Yep. So that's what it's like.
It's Batman the Dark Knight Rises.
Yep. This movie was so racist. It's breakfast at Tiffany's. The timer
timer's long gone. Four minutes
Big
in.
Potato Games. I offer an alternative rule to a future release to either like intentionally misquote to lead on. That's a good one. This is too long for Twitter. This is too long for Twitter.
Minutes.
I'm just gonna have to put it on Dropbox and send it to him. And be like, do with this as you please. Blockbuster. Big Potato Games.